Clap aboard Cambu TV the bold and ferocious honey badger. They fear nothing. Not lions, not snakes, not even bees. The honey badger, also known as the ratel, is one of the most fearless animals on Earth, a small carnivore found in Africa, Southwest Asia, and India. But don't be fooled by its size. This creature has thick, rubbery skin, making it hard for predators to grip. Even when bitten by venomous snakes like cobras or puff adders, the honey badger can pass out and then wake up a few hours later, fully recovered and ready to keep fighting or eating. Honey badgers are escape artists, too. They've been known to break out of cages using tools, climb trees, and even unlock latches. In fact, one honey badger named Stoffel in a South African wildlife centre became famous for escaping over 20 times using creative tricks. Their favourite food? Honey, of course, and they'll tear open beehives despite getting stung repeatedly. But their diet also includes birds, reptiles, rodents, fruits, and insects. They don't run in packs, but when threatened, they make growling noises, release foul smells, and will charge at animals 10 times their size. So, next time you hear someone say small but mighty, think of the honey badger, the ultimate symbol of fearlessness and survival.